Dear students, good morning, namaste. This is the part 10 3D. We are now in the concept of finding the shortest distance between two screw lines. Already in the previous video, I solved one example problem by using that formula ST. Okay, now we are going to solve the problems related in the exercise 11.2 only those concept problems, that is 14, 15, 16, 17 are 14 is also over. Now I am going to solve the 16 and 17. Yeah, in the previous one 14 also I solved. 16, 17 I want to go to solve this one, and then the last 15 will solve. Okay, now? Yeah. Now see 16th. 16th is given the lines are r bar is equal to I minus 2j plus 3k plus lambda of 1 minus 3, that means 1 minus 3j, I minus 3j plus 2k, and r bar is equal to again, that is 4i plus 5j plus 6k, 4i plus 5j plus 6k, okay now, plus mu of 2i plus 3j plus k. Okay, now you see that 4, 5, 6, 1 minus 2, 3, 1 minus 3, 2, 2, 3, 1. Yeah. Here a bar is equal to I minus 2j plus 3k. C bar is equal to 4i plus 5j plus 6k. Okay, now D bar is equal to I minus 3j plus 2k. D bar is equal to 2i plus 3j plus k. Next, observe. C bar minus A bar. The very next we have to find. C bar minus A bar. 4i minus I. 3i. 5j minus of minus 2. 7j. 6k minus 3k. That is 3k. Don't you understand? C bar minus A bar. 4i minus I. 3j. 3i. 5j minus of minus 2j. 7j. 6k minus 3k. Again 3k. Here B bar cross D bar. Determinant I, J, K. This is the concept in the vector product. Determinant. Questions 1 minus 3, 2. 2, 3, 1. We get I of minus 3 minus 6. Minus j of 1 minus 4 plus k of 3 plus 6. Observe it. It is minus 3 na? It is minus 6. Minus j of 1 minus 4 plus k of 3 minus of minus 6 plus 6. So it is minus 9 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 9 k cap. Okay, na? This is 9 k cap minus 3 into minus plus 3 j cap minus 9 cap. Now modulus of B bar cross D bar is the root of minus 9 square. 3 square 9 square. Again it is 81 plus 81 plus this is 9. How much? Then 1, that is 17. 1, 7, 1. You agree? You see there. Observe me. 81, 9 square. Not minus 81. Plus 81, plus 81. 81, 81, 3 square, 9. 10, 11, 9, 17. Okay, now. Again, we find C bar minus A bar dot of B bar cross D bar. C bar minus A bar is already there. 3i plus 7j plus 3k dot of B bar cross D bar is minus 9i plus 3j plus 9k. Okay, now I dot I only 3 into minus 9, 7 into 3, 3 into 9, minus 27 plus 21 plus 27. I dot I is 1. Then questions 3 into minus 9, minus 27, 7 into 3, 21. Again 3 into 9, 27. Cancels, we get 21 one. Okay, now say the last one. Now SD means shortest distance. We have to mention the formula C bar minus A bar dot of B bar cross D bar by modulus of B bar cross D bar. C bar minus A bar dot of B bar cross D bar is already solved. It is 21 by root 171. Okay, na? That is the required answer. Okay, na? Like that you have to solve. So 16 is solved. Next is 17 we are going to solve. Given, what is given? It is R bar is equal to 1 minus T I cap T minus 2 J cap plus 3 minus 2T K cap. You see and observe me. Here only I want to simplify. T coefficients are there, constants are there. 1i, okay na, minus 2j na, plus 3k, okay na. T of ti minus tj, okay na, minus 2tk. So here it is minus I, will agree? Minus ti is there, t common, taken common. Here also plus j, tj is there. Here also it minus 2k. Will agree that? You see, it is minus ti I, 1 minus ti. Here tj minus 2j. That is t minus 2j is common. Like that we have to get. Now this is A bar, this is A bar, this is a B bar. Okay, now it is okay now. Is it clear? A bar plus T B bar, just like this is the vector. Vector equation of line. And another one, R bar is equal to, second one you see there. R bar is that is it is S plus 1 I cap 2s minus 1 j cap minus 2s plus 1 k cap. Okay, now you see, first 1i, that is I, minus j minus k. Minus 1 into k minus k. Be careful. This is minus j. Plus s of, yes is there. Plus s of, you see in s I is there. Minus plus 2j minus 2k. Try to understand. S into I, 2s into j, minus 2s into k. Is it clear? S is taken as common. Now this is c bar plus s d bar. Okay now? This is 1. It is first one. Is it clear? Now, you see, I will write here only. Here what is a bar? A bar is I minus 2j plus 3k. What is C bar? C bar is I minus j minus k. What is B bar? There is I, okay, no, plus j minus 2k minus I. D bar is I plus 2j minus 2k. Okay, now you see there? Now, first we find C bar minus A bar. C bar minus A bar is here only. I minus I. This is 0. Minus j minus of minus 2j. Be careful. Minus j minus of minus 2j plus j. Minus k minus 3k minus 4k. So this is I plus I minus 4k. B bar cross B bar. The determinant I j k. What is minus 1 minus 2. This is 1 2 minus 2. Okay na? It is I of minus 2 plus 4 minus j of 2 plus 2 plus k of minus 2 minus 1. It is 2i minus 4j minus 3k. This concept is in the vectors. 2 into minus 2 minus of minus 4 plus 4. This is 2 minus of minus plus 2. Be careful. Minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 na. Minus 1 into minus 2 minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2. K of this one and this one. Minus 2 minus 1. Now, here only B bar cross D bar with modulus. That is 4 plus 16 plus 9. That is 29. 2 square 4. Minus 4 whole square is 16 plus 16. Minus 3 whole square is 9. Root this 20, 29 is. Then C bar minus A bar dot of B bar cross D bar is needed. What is C bar minus A bar is j minus 4k dot of 2i 4j minus 3k. That is j dot j only. 1 into minus 4. I is not there. Minus 4 into minus 3. Minus 4 plus 12. It is 8. You see that? I is not there. J dot j only. That is quotient 1 into minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 3. K dot k is 1. So this is minus 4. This is minus 4 into minus 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. Now SD. You have to mention the formula first. C bar minus A bar dot of B bar cross D bar by modulus of B bar cross D bar with modulus. This is already known 8 by. It is how much? B bar cross D bar with modulus is root 29. So 8 by root 29. Okay, na? So 14, 16, 17 are for one type questions. 15 is a different one. I will solve it. Yeah. Okay. 15th question. Given lines are x minus x plus 1. X plus 1 by 7 is equal to y plus 1 by minus 6 is equal to z plus 1 by 1. You see, here only I want to change x minus of minus 1 by 7, y minus of minus 1 by minus 6, z minus of minus 1 by 1. And second line is x minus 3 by 1, y minus 5 by minus 2, z minus 7 by 1. Already we solved a problem, a formula in the previous concept video. You see, here x1, y1, z1, that is A bar, is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 in the first equation. And C bar is x2, y2, z2. The point is 3, 5, 7. The formation is x minus x1 by a1, y minus y1 by b1, z minus z1 by c1 is there. X minus x2, that is x2 is 3, not minus 3, 5, 7. And b bar is equal to 7i minus 6j plus k. Here only. These are the a1, b1, c1. That is b bar. Yes, it is d bar. It is, or otherwise I will write it as a1, b1, c1. There is nothing but 7 minus 6, 1. A2, B2, C2. It is 1 minus 2, 1. Only simply. Then SD. SD is x minus x1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. A1, B1, C1. A2, B2, C2. By root of that is a1 b2 minus a2 b1 square, b1 c2 minus b2 c1 square, c1 a2 minus c2 a1 square. Okay, na? Like this. Everything is there. Okay, now you see that is x2 minus x1. x2 is this one, 3 minus of minus 1. 3 plus 1. Next 5 minus of minus 1. 5 plus 1. 7 minus of minus 1. That is 7 plus 1. Okay, na? Yeah. Next, a1, b1, 7. This one. 7 minus 6, 1. 1 minus 2, 1. Okay, now A1, B2. See there only. A1, B2. Be careful. The 7 into minus 2 minus A2, B1. A2, B1. 1 into minus 6 square. Be careful. Next, B1, C2. B1, C2. Minus 6 into 1 minus. Next, B2, C1. Minus 2 into 1 whole square. Plus C1, A2. C1, A2. 1 into 1 minus C2, A1. C2, A1. 1 into 7 square. Everything is in the root. That is, you see, it is 4, 6, 8, 7 minus 6, 1, 1 minus 2, 1. By, it is the root of minus 14 plus 6, minus 14 plus 6, minus 8 square. Minus 6 plus 2, minus 4 square. 1 minus 7, minus 6 square. Okay, now. Observe me. It is 4 of, determinant 4 of minus 6 plus 2 minus 6 of 7 minus 1 plus 8 of minus 14 plus 6. Okay, now that is determinant. Once again you observe that. Minus 6 of 7 minus 1, 4 of minus 6 plus 2. By, again, it is root of 64 plus 16 plus 36. Okay, now, it is 4 of minus 4, minus 16. Total is in modulus again. It is minus 36. It is 64. 14 minus 6. Minus 14 plus 6 is 8. Minus 8 into 8 minus 64. 6 into 6, 36. 4 into 4, 54, 16. By root of, that is 116. Okay, now with the modulus. How much? That is 64 under 116. Again, we get 116 by 116. This is root. It is minus. So 116 with root is there because without root is there. See, first of all, that minus is 16. 116 with root 116. Okay, that is 116 with root 116 with root by root 116. How much? We get how much? 1 cancel. Root of 116. Will it cancel with 4? Yeah. You say 4 twos. 8, 36. 4 nines. Will you agree? That is 2 root 29. Okay, Nana? Like that, we may solve this problem. Very good concept. These 4 problems in the exercise 14, 15, 16, 17 and one example. 5 problems, you have to learn it more. Number of times you repeat and observe this one. You find the method. Okay, na? Arithmetic is more is there. Be careful. Okay, na? Yeah, pass.